So here I am to talk about today's trading recap, and as you can see on the chart today it was another win. So let's talk about why I took these longs. So before the market open I was already very bullish on the Asian session. We just gone to the upside, and on the London session we just consolidated. So my plan was very simple. For the New York session I would want to see a manipulation at these lows, respecting this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, and after I see the sweep with the mitigation of the fair value gap, I would start to find long. So that's what the price did after the market open. We just gone lower, we swept all the lows, we had 3 equal lows, a lot of liquidity here, and we also mitigated and respected this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So after I saw this candle close, I just started to look for longs. So I just switched to the 1 minute time frame and just marked my levels. So here we had this bearish fair value gap. So here I just waited to see this fair value gap getting inverted. So here we inverted the gap. Here I had a limit order, but it did not get triggered. So here I did not execute it. So, and here it gone lower again to my entry, but I stopped my limit order there after I saw that the price was already very high. So here I just waited to see how the price would react, and it reacted in a bullish way. We touched this inverse fair value gap, then gone higher again, and here I was very interested on taking longs. So here we had this bearish fair value gap, it got inverted, and I entered here at the retest. I also had another confluence that was the 0.5. So here we retested the inverse fair value gap, we touched the 0.5 and closed above, and for me it was very clear that we were bullish, we were reacting in a very bullish way. So I just put my entry here, and the price mitigated my entry, gone higher, then gone lower a bit to mitigate inverse fair value gap, and then just started going higher. So my TP1 was here, and in the beginning I just had TP1, but because I entered with 0.03 lots, I could not close half of the position, so I just close here 0.01 lots and here 0.01 lots. So I just closed 75% of my position after we touched these levels. The price mitigated my TP2 and then gone lower. When I took profits here, I moved my stop loss to break even. So here the price gone to my TP2, then mitigated my stop loss at break even, and then gone higher again, and even it my full TP. A bit unfortunate, but I followed my strategy. My plan is very simple. When I take profits, I always move my stop loss to break even. So it was a 0.5% win, as I can show you. It was a little bit below, but it was $17 of profit. I did not risk a lot. I just risked, I think, 0.5%. So it's a small win, but it's still a win. It's very good to regain my confidence. So it was a pretty decent day. My bias was very good. I waited for this sweep. The sweep happened, and then I executed in a very good place. So today was a pretty decent day. It was a win, not the best win, not the biggest win, but it was still a decent win. So if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and tomorrow I'll be back for another trading recap. So see you tomorrow.